If you are looking for a powerful and bigger phone, no compromise anything, you need excellent camera, excellent display and also excellent build quality. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and Galaxy S23 Ultra are clear the first two names that come to our mind. So which one should you go for you? One is iOS and other one is Android. So that's have a big difference. But finally the 15 family switched to USB Type-C port, but the same one thing Android are using so many years ago. Both phones are too big and also well built, also come with new features. And the iPhone 15 Pro Max we also get a new action button and add some features. iPhone 15 Pro Max come with 6.7-inch display and S23 Ultra come with 6.7-inch display. Both phones also come with 120Hz refresh rate, IP68 rating, stereo speaker. But Galaxy S23 Ultra is different. It's come with 1440p display, a curved display which look more better than iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with triple camera setup, 48MP main sensor, and on the other hand the Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with quad camera setup with 200MP main sensor. Phone also have a 12MP ultra wide and is also used to take a macro photo. Both phone taking a excellent picture, so you don't have to worry about the camera feature and camera performance. And both phone also have a cinematic mode and portrait video option. 23 Ultra you can record highest 8K videos. Wise the Apple A15 Pro Max is the beast. It comes with Apple A17 Pro processor. Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. So performance wise the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the great, and you also play PC like games. So if you are looking for a perfect Android device, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the best choice for you. Looking for a perfect iOS device, so iPhone 15 Pro Max is the best choice for you. And if you are compared to both, I think the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the best choice for you. But if you are an Android fanboy, please wait for Galaxy S24 Ultra. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah.